Students be able to have a Google Doc read to them. One option is to use a extension or add-on called Helperbird. So this is just the Helperbird website, but let's give an example of how this works. So inside a Google Doc, students can go extension, add-ons, get add-ons, and then search for Helperbird. Students should be able to click install right here. You just see uninstall because I already have installed. Now here, for example, I have some text typed out in a Google Doc. The student can highlight the text in the doc they want read to them. Then go extensions, Helperbird, open Helperbird. By doing this, students can get several different options. The two we'll look at here is immersive and listen. So listen is very simple. You just highlight the text you want read. Students can actually customize to a certain voice. Now, not only certain voices are included in the free version. If I hit play,
test read a doc.
You should hear it read to them. Now, I'm doing a screen recording, so I'm not 100% sure if you'll actually hear it, but I did. That's what's important. Now, the other option they can use in here also is immersive. If you had more text and you hit immersive, what it does is it will kind of break it out into here, and I can see it read.
Test read a doc.
Now, in the free version, you're limited to the amount of text that can be done at once in immersive. So the student gets a warning like too much text selected. They just need to highlight a smaller chunk of text and have it highlighted then there for them. Now, another thing Helperbird can do is it can also run as a Chrome extension. So you can see I have the Chrome extension installed here. If students actually go to the Chrome Web Store and they go to extensions, they'll actually see a recommended section, and Helperbird is there ready to be installed. Now, to give you an idea what this one does, if I'm on a website, I can highlight text. I can use the Helperbird extension right up here, or right click and go to Helperbird and do either one. I can say play or view an immersive.
The sequel to Universal's record-breaking Super Mario Bros. Movie has just received its official title, the Super Mario Galaxy Movie. It's set to release in theaters from Universal and Illumination on April 3rd, 2026.
So that was using the right click or two-finger tap. If I use the extension, you can see up here, it brings this up that shows all the options that are in there. Now I'll pick Immersive Reader, and you see it kind of bumps it out like this.
The sequel to Universal's record-breaking Super Mario Bros. Movie has just received.
You can see the nice thing with that is not only does it remove the ads, but it shows the student where it's reading as it goes along. So that's Helperbird. I think that will solve some of your questions that you were looking for a text-to-speech. Have a good day.